Hello, I'm Miele, and accurate temperature is our goal. Measuring temperature in the laser welding process is a complex task in light of the radiation emitted during the welding process. The AST A5WL and AST A5WLFO pyrometers have laser emission immunity for lambda equals 910, 1032, 1064 nanometers, for any emission in which lambda lessened or equals 1080 nanometers, but not for keyhole welding mode. Laser welding diagram. Laser welding device in which the measurements were performed. Laser wavelength 1064 nanometers. Welding of aluminum, copper, and stainless steel. In addition to the laser radiation challenge, we need to focus the pyrometer on as small as possible spots, with the distance limitations between the pyrometer head and the welding point. The measured temperature is part of the closed-loop process control. The PLC of the welding machine uses analog or digital signals. Accurate sensors technologies.